This year feels like a video game that's on speed run. But it just keeps going. And I'm trying to stay positive just about life in general. And sometimes looking at the little birds and the little squirrels and chipmunks is just what helps. It's also nice to just look at the leaves and see how many colors we're getting, especially this bright yellow. I also really like this Cheeto colored orange one. Biggest mama is hiding. I can see her. There she is.
I wasn't hiding. What you talking about? My precious.
I'm gonna lay these out and see which one Stubby wants to take. Another chipmunk might come up here, but usually it's Stubby who just laid out this whole charcuterie board for you. This other chipmunk's gonna come and get it. Okay, which one will you take?
Now Stubby comes over.
Hello, Nuthatch. There's some... Okay. Here comes one of the young squirrels. And this blue jay. Hi again, not Stubby. I wonder if any of you will take the walnut. Here comes Stubby. Not the face off. Bro. Stubbs, you don't want that. Why is a titmouse screaming? Hello. Sometimes I wish I lived in the middle of nowhere. Like, I fully understand that these are wild animals and that I don't control them, but sometimes I wish they just lived on this yard instead of everywhere else. Or that I lived next to like-minded people that felt the same way about animals and weren't screaming at them all the time. I mean, there's a walnut out there, so you can go find it. I love the grackles too. Oh my god. I thought it was gonna sneak up. Why are you like this? You didn't want to share? What's wrong with sharing? Meanwhile, we have moved out of the bucket. Would you like a walnut?